Okay, bathroom. Okay, so bathroom. I talked about these already. Okay, that's fine. What we've got is a jacuzzi tub and then a tiled shower. Okay, now I downloaded this from Revit City. Shower, fully parametric, 17830, and I edited the sizes, the width and the depth of it a little bit to make it a 5 foot shower. I had to play with it a little bit. Okay, and then I also edited the finishes on it. Okay. Anyway, so that's there. Where's me a section view I can pull up there? Okay, now the tile shower and the bathtub will sit on the subfloor. Okay, even though the ceramic floor is showing up right here, it's going through the section, but those two things will sit on the subfloor, the plywood subfloor. Okay, so here's the shower. I didn't cut out the drywall like we did in our previous project. I just pushed the shower. I aligned the shower into it, I think. No, because it's a tiled shower, the way the guy has it made, I put it against the drywall here, but against the studs over here. Work with it, okay? And with that to okay. Oh, and what I did in editing, I changed I made me a new material type and called it tile ceramic. 8 inch, that's what I called it. And I put in the hatching, but then, God, it just got to be such a hassle. I took the hatching out. But I duplicated the material, made me a new material type. These are, they showing up blue in here, but they're actually a tan beige color. See? Okay. And so I edited this for the shower base and the shower walls to use the same tile that I used out here, okay, for the floor. For the tub, I created a new wall. Well, I got a new wall, a wall here, but I got a wall underneath the tub that is only whatever the height of the tub was. Let me pull another section up to there. Okay, so I created this wall right here because this is a built-in jacuzzi tub, whirlpool tub. Okay, so it's got to have a wall and a deck that it sits on. So I built the wall that's got tile on one side, and I built a floor for the tub deck. I created a new floor type, and I just made it the plywood. I made it half inch plywood, or half inch, concrete board, and then 1/4 inch tile. And I use mosaic tile on the deck because I wanted to. I just think it looks better. Okay. But anyway, so you build a wall, you build a deck, and this is a tub I downloaded from Revit City. I just looked through them and I picked a 6 foot whirlpool tub that I thought, okay, that'll work. So I downloaded that and got it in. The tub sits on the subfloor, and you got to build your wall and your decking up to the lip. And then if you look, the tile, the tub itself sits on the deck. Okay, and then the tile butts up against the tub. And you'll have to cut an opening in your floor based on the size of the tub. Okay, so that's the tub. Okay, and then tiling on the wall back here. I just left drywall around there. You just got to clean things up so your corners all join and things like that. Now, do I have I thought I had a camera in here. Let me see. Yeah, camera one. Okay. Okay, so there you go. And you can play with your tile finishes if you want. If you don't want brown, that's fine. If you want tan, whatever you want. Okay, you can play with them. Okay, but that's pretty much the master bath. Trying to think what else we got. Closet shelving. When you're doing your flooring, think about transitions for the floors and how things will change from wood to carpet, and don't just like zip across both doors because usually in a case like this, the wood would come all the way in, the carpet would go straight across. Maybe might have a wood threshold. With a tile, you're going to have a ceramic, um, like a marble threshold under the door, and it was kind of hard to model it. You could model it in place as a component um, if you wanted to. Excuse me, I didn't change that one. Yeah, see, that looks better. Uh, but anyway, so the carpet stops outside, the tile stops inside, and then it'd be a marble threshold there. Um, Vinyl, kind of the same way with vinyl. I gotta play with that door. Okay, let me go to the second floor and take a look there. Um, this is the tub. This is the same tub we used last semester. So you can duplicate it. Remember, it sits on the subfloor. Okay, and then edit your flooring to get around it. And it was kind of weird on the, if you remember last semester, we had difficulty getting the flooring to match up with that. So I think I ended up as like 1 inch off of the edge. Yeah. So when you're putting your flooring in, if you go 1 inch off of the line that it snaps for the tub, your flooring will end up being really close to the edge of the tub there. Okay. Oh, second floor. Okay. Carpet, shelving, use the same tub here. Just do it so that your water controls are to the interior side of the house. Okay. All right. And so that's pretty much it, I think, for flooring, shelving, fixtures, toiletries, all those things. Next comes roof. Well, before you get to roof, we didn't put in our porch floor over here previously. So you'll need to put that in. And let's see, where did I dimension that? Top foundation wall. I don't know, somewhere. I got it dimensioned. First floor's fine. Or maybe I deleted dimensions. I don't know. But you, based on the plans, go ahead and put your porch floor in. I created a new floor. I called it wood joist to 8-inch porch. We use it in front and the back. And I gave it a redwood coloring on the top. I didn't do a hatch on it because I don't want all those hatch lines showing up in my floor plan drawings. But I gave it a redwood. Um, the plans, the section shows a really weird measurement. If you look at the screen porch section, okay, it shows 5/8 by 4 pressure treated wood decking. I have never ever in my whole life seen a 5/8 finished uh, piece of lumber, because then when you look at the dimensioning, it shows like 1 1/8 thick. Okay, which is kind of weird. 5/8 does not equal 1 1/8 on the dimensioning. I made it 1 inch thick. Now that I see the 1 1/8 inch dimension, I could change that and make it 1 1/8. So there's a misprint in the dimensions, and the more I'm into this project, the more I'm finding some of those. Okay, and let's see. I gave that thing an offset down of 6 inches. Okay, because it shows a step down in the elevations, and then the details for the back porch says a maximum of 7 inches down. So I said 6. Sounds good. So you'll need to put that in before we start working on the roofs. And I will be back momentarily.